The best keyboard and mouse settings for Fortnite can significantly improve your gameplay, allowing for faster reactions and more precise control. One of the more important aspects to optimize is sensitivity. For mouse and sensitivity, many pro players prefer a lower setting, allowing for more accurate aiming and smoother movement. A lower sensitivity lets you make finer adjustments while aiming, but it's essential to find a balance. Too low and too low, and it becomes hard to track fast-moving enemies. Likewise, DPI, dots per inch, of your mouse plays a critical role. A DPI around 800 to 1200 is commonly recommended for Fortnite, as it provides a good mix of precision and speed. Keybinds are another crucial element. Many players they rebind their keys to make building, weapon stitching, and editing faster and more accessible. For example, binding structures to mouse buttons or easily rechargeable keys allow for quicker response during intense moments. Movement keys typically stay on the WASD, but some players adjust or sprint nearby buttons, for improved comfort or speed. Lastly, adjusting the keyboard's input settings, like turning off auto run and customizing the edit button, can make actions more seamless. Ultimately, the best settings are those that feel comfortable and responsive, enhancing your overall gameplay experience.